Perfect.
You're over here next to Joe. You hurt his feelings if you do.
All right, everyone, good afternoon. Go ahead and call us into order at 12:10 PM. I'd like to recognize Counselor Jacobs for a motion to record advice and consent for the financial warrant.
I make that motion.
Okay, motion's been made and seconded. All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? The ayes have it. I'd like to recognize Counselor Devaney for a motion to record advice and consent for the pending list of notaries public and justices of the peace.
Second,
Seconded by Counselor Inella. All those in favor? Any opposed? The ayes have it. And we have two new nominations. Honorable Gloria Tan of Newton to the position of Associate Justice of the Appeals Court. Counselor Devaney, do you have a date and time set?
Yes.
For your
and,
hearing?
I will hold that hearing on November 6th at 10:30.
Does that work for
10:30,
everyone
don't we have
else?
something else?
The day after elections.
That's the day after
So you
the,
don't have an election, will you care?
I haven't.
no, that's early.
Okay, just so November, is there a conflict with that for folks?
Huh?
Is there a conflict? I just saw, nope.
It's the day after the election.
Yeah, we could be up till 3, 4, 5 in the morning. It's not a good time.
You're gonna be up late, like the rest of the.
Do whatever.
election.
Whatever you want,
Well,
That's
no,
bad.
I'm just,
whatever anyone wants. So it's all out, not even 1 o'clock? You're not out yet
I
from your
think you have
parties?
one at one.
You already have one. I don't like 2 on the same day.
I can't go to that one. I just told you I'm at a conference.
How about the next week, whatever time you say, Marilyn, we compromise.
maybe we can try and find a way that works for everybody.
Anyone for the next week.
We already have one on November
is it?
6th.
Following week,
Well, why don't I make it at 1 o'clock on the 13th?
okay, November 13th at 1 PM. I'm seeing head shake.
Sounds
so
good.
Your
Yeah.
party?
Feels like,
Thank you very much, Marilyn.
Thank you.
okay. So November 13th at 1 PM, that will be for the Honorable Gloria Tan. And then we have Chauncey
Call back and-
Brainerd Wood to the position of Associate Justice of the Appeals Court. Counselor Kennedy, do you have a date for the hearing?
I was gonna do the 13th, but that's gone, so I guess it's the following week. Do we have 2 on the 13th, Marilyn?
It's the appeals court, may take a while.
It won't take long.
Okay.
The following week, by 10:30.
On the 13th. Okay, so we've got that date set. It's going to be a busy day that day. That's good.
Why I understand we're gonna be busy.
Yeah, we are. We got to get a lot. We got to get stuff done. All right, those two hearing dates are set. I don't think we have any other business, so I'd entertain a motion to adjourn.
So moved.
Motion made by Counselor Jacobs. Is there a second? Seconded by Counselor Duff. All those in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? The ayes have it. We stand adjourned.
Thank you.
Thank you all.